Good morning, children. Today we are going to see new unit 2, numbers. In this lesson, we have to learn estimation sums. Children, let us learn what is meant by estimation. The value which is nearest to the correct value is called its estimated value. So we have to find the nearest value means any number given, we have to find nearest value means that is the estimated value. The symbol for estimate is, this is the estimated symbol. Other words denoting estimates are about, approximate, nearby. So estimate means we have to say about, approximate, nearby. Children, let us learn how to find estimation number. Children, see the picture. Some numbers is here. First one, 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers are one group number, first group number. See the next side, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is the second group number. Any number ending with this number means first 1 to 4 ending means this first number you have to adding 1 0 na we get the estimation number. So 1 2 3 4 ending means ones place this number ending means first number adding 1 0 means we have to find estimation number. So 34 means, for example, 34 means in ones place 4 ending. So first group. So first tens place value 3 is here. Adding 1 0 na we get the estimation value. Next see the next number 52. In 52 2 ending. So first group. So first number tens place value 5 adding 1 0 means we get estimate value. Next 21. So 1 ending number. So first group adding first number tens place value adding 0 means get 10, 20. Next 63. So 3 ending means first tens place value 6 is here, adding 1 0 means get 60. So 1 2 3 4 ending number means first number adding 0 means we get the estimation value. Next in ones place 5 6 7 8 9 ending means, for example, 7 ending means first number is tens place value is 8. So 8 plus 1 means 9 we get. 9 adding 0 na we get the estimation value. Next 35 ending. So 5 ending means first number tens place value 3. 3 plus 1 means get 4. Adding 0 means we get the estimation value. Next 19. 9 ending. So for tens place value 1 is here. So 1 plus 1 2, 20 we get estimation value. Next one 46. 6 ending. So first number 4. 4 plus 1 5. So we get 50. So in first group ending the number means first number adding 0 means we get the estimation value. In second group means ending number 5 to 9 means first tens place value first number adding 1 means we get the estimation value. Children, see the exercise sum, exercise 2.1. First one, fill in the blanks. First, Phillips, estimation of 27 to its nearest tens place is dash. So, estimation value we have to find nearest tens place value. The given number is 27. So, see the number in one's place 7 is here. So, 7 ending means the group is second group. So, tens place value 2 is here. So, 2 plus 1 means adding 1 means in tens place value 1 adding means we get 3 and then adding 0 means 27. Nearest tens place value is 30. Second one, estimation of 65 to its nearest tens place is dash. So estimation value, nearest tens place value we have to find. The given number is 65. So ending number 5 means, see the first number, tens place value 6. So second group. So 5 ending means second group. Second group means 6 plus 1. 1 adding means 6 plus 1 get 7, adding 0. So 70 is the nearest tens place value. 65 nearest tens place value is 70. Third one, the cost of 1 kg pomegranate is rupees 93. Then the estimated cost is dash. So estimation value is 93 given. We have to estimate cost value we have to find. So estimated cost value 93, estimation value we have to find. The ending number is 3. So 3 ending number means this is first group. So first group means tens place value, the given number adding 0. So the answer is 9. Adding 0 means 90. So 93 estimation value is 90. Fourth one, estimation of 76 bananas to its nearest tens place is dash. So estimation value we have to find nearest tens place for 76. So see the ones place 6 ending. So 6 ending means 6 is the second group. So see the first one 7. So second group means first number adding 1. So 7 plus 1 get 8, adding 0 means 80. So the answer is 80.
Children, see the exercise sum 2.1 second sum. There are 27 girls and 38 boys in a class. Find the sum and estimate the sum to its nearest tens place. Children, in this question, the given values are 27 girls value is given and then 38 boys value is given in a classroom. Find the sum. So find the sum means sum given means the sum is addition and estimate the sum to its nearest tens place value. So we have to find the value for addition and then nearest tens place value we have to find. So first we write solution. Number of girls is equal to 27. Next, number of boys is equal to 38. Put plus symbol. Now add the value 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 get 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. So the value is 65. So total value is 65. So we find the estimated value. 65 estimated value. See the first value. 1's place value is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That ending number means before number we write the estimated value. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ending number means second group. Second ending number. So after number we have to write. So 65 means 5 is second group. So after ending number is 70. 70 is the estimated value. So the answer estimated value is equal to 70. So 70 is the answer. Children, see the third sum. If the cost of a geometry box is rupees 53 and the cost of a notebook is rupees 36, the estimated the cost to its nearest tens place and find the sum. Also find the difference between the estimated value and the actual value. Children, see the first in this question. First see the first line. Cost of a geometry box. So geometry box value is given. Geometry box value is rupees 53. And then cost of a notebook. So notebook value is given rupees 36. The estimated the cost to its nearest tens place value and find the sum. So geometry box value and notebook value is given. We have to find estimated value for nearest tens place value. Nearest tens place value and find the sum. So already you know that sum means the sum is addition. Also find the difference between the estimated value and the actual value. So in this question, geometry box value given and notebook value is given. We have to find the estimated value for nearest tens place value. Nearest tens place value, and then the sum is addition. Also we have to find the difference for estimated value and then actual value. So first we write solution. We find the actual value and the estimated value. Put two columns for first one as actual value. Next column estimated value. So actual value and estimated value we have to find means first the given value, geometry box value we write. Geometry box, the value is 53, and then notebook value. Notebook value is 36. Now the sum is addition. So put plus symbol. Now add the value. 3 plus 6, 9. 5 plus 3, 8. Next, 53, we have to find the estimated value. So ending number is 3 means this is the first group. So we write the before number estimated value. So 53 estimated value is 50. Next, 36, ending number is 6. So second group. So estimated value is before number we have to add 1 means get 40. So after 0 ending number is 40 is the estimated value. The sum is addition. Put plus symbol. Now add the value 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 4, 9. So we write total actual value is 89 and the estimated value is 90. We have to find the difference. So we write difference. Difference is equal to the value 89 and 90. Which one is biggest value? 90. So we write 90 minus 89. 90 minus 89 means subtract the value means we get 1. So difference is 1. So in this question, geometry box value and notebook value is given. So we have to find the estimated and actual value. Actual value, the given value is the actual value. Estimated value means round up value we write. So 53 estimated value 50. 36 estimated value 40. So estimated value for this value we have to add means get 89. And then this value we have to add means get 90. So in this question we have to find difference. So difference means big one value minus small one value. So subtract the value 90 minus 89 means get 1. If Kavita has 93 pictures and she gave 42 pictures to her friend Neela, then estimate the pictures to its nearest tens place and find the difference. Also find the difference between actual value and the estimated value. See children, First, see the first line. Kavita has 93 pictures. Total, Kavita have 93 pictures and she gave to her friend how many pictures? 42 picture for Neela. Her friend name is Neela. Then estimate the pictures to its nearest tens place value and find the difference. So in this question, Kavita have how many pictures value is given and Neela have how many pictures is given. So in this question, we have to total value to the given value means subtract this value to this value means we get the value. Then we have to find the nearest tens place value and find the difference. Also find the difference between actual value and the estimated value. So difference means the sum is subtraction. So first we write solution. Actual value, estimated value, put box, actual value and the estimated value. So actual value for first Kavita have how many pictures? 93. Next the her friend name is Neela. Neela have 42 pictures. So we have to find the sum as difference. So we have to subtract the value. Put subtraction symbol. 3 minus 2 get 1. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 get 5. Next estimated value. One's place is 3. So 3 means first group. So estimated value is 3 means first group means before ending number is 90. Next 2. So before number 42 means estimated value 40. Put subtraction symbol. 0 minus 0 0. 9 minus 4 5. So difference we have to find that. Next we find the difference value. Difference is equal to actual value is 51 and the estimated value is 50. Which one is biggest one? 51 is biggest one. So 51 minus 50 means get 1. So difference value is 1. So Kavita picture value is 93 and Neela picture value is 42. Find the sum is, we have to find the difference means subtraction. So subtract the value, get 51 and estimated value, nearest value. So 93 estimated value is 90 and 42 estimated value is 40. So subtract the value, get 50. Next we have to find actual value and estimated value for difference means difference is equal to 51 minus 50 means get 1. See the next sum. The cost of a pen is rupees 32. Find the cost of 6 pens and estimate it to its nearest tens place. So in this question, a pen rate is rupees 32 and we have to find the 6 pen value, estimate it to its nearest tens place value. So first we write solution. See children, in this question 1 pen rate is given and we have to find the 6 pen rate. So one thing's value is given and we have to find the more than 2 things means the sum is multiplication. So first we write cost of a pen. Cost of a pen is equal to the value is rupees 32 and cost of 6 pens is equal to rupees 32 into 6. 1 pen rate is 32 means we have to find the 6 pen value. So multiply by 6. Now multiply the value. 6 2s are 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 to 2 carry 1. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. So this is 192 is the actual value. we have to find the nearest tens place value. So 192 nearest value means put estimated symbol. So ending number is 2 means this is the first group. So before number 192, before ending number is 190. So nearest tens place value is 190. So estimated value is equal to rupees 190 is the answer. Children, see the sixth sum. Arun as rupees 47, Roja as rupees 54. Find the sum and estimate it to its nearest 100 place. So in this question, Arun amount is rupees 47 and Raja amount is rupees 54. Find the sum means the sum is addition, and we have to find the estimated value for nearest 100 place value. So first we write solution. So first we write the Arun amount. Arun amount is equal to, what is the value? Rupees 47, and then Raja amount rupees 54. So find the sum means the sum is addition. Now add the value 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4, 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So rupees 101 is the nearest total value. This is the actual value. So 101 we have to find the estimated value means. So ending number is 1 means. So first group. So before number 101, before number ending number is 100. So nearest 100 place value is 100. So estimated value is equal to, the value is rupees 100. Children, see the seventh sum. There are 21 chocolate bars in a packet. Find the number of chocolate bars in 9 such packets and estimate it to its nearest 100 place value. So in this question, see the first line, 21 chocolate bars in a packet. So one packet, how many chocolate is there? 21. So find the number of chocolates bars in 9 such packet. So we have to find the 9 packet value. One packet value is given. We have to find the 9 packet means the sum is multiplication, and then we have to find the estimated nearest 100 place value. So first we write one packet value. One packet chocolate value is 21. So 9 packets is equal to 21 into 9. Multiply the value. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. So 189 is the 9 packet value. So 189 estimated value for nearest 100 place. So nearest 100 place, 189 means nearest value is 200. 200 is the nearest 100 place value. So estimated value is 200. Children, see the eighth sum. 132 peanut candies are shared equally with 12 students. Find the share for 1 student and estimate it to its nearest tens place. So in this question, so total FENET candidates value is 132 and equally shared with 12 students. So number of students value is 12. Find the share for one student and estimate to its nearest tens place value. In this question, FENET candidates value is 132 and the total number of students value is 12 students. One student share value we have to find means the sum is one student's value we have to find means total value given. We have to find one student value means the sum is division and then we have to find the nearest tens place value. So first write solution. So first one number of FENET candidates equal to 132. Next, number of students. Number of students is equal to 12. One student share is equal to 132 divided by this 12. Now divide the value 132 divided by 12. So 1 12s are 12. Subtract the value 13 minus 12 get 1. Take next digit 2. So again 1 12s are 12. Subtract the value get 0. So 12. So 12 is the value. We have to find the nearest tens place value. So 11 nearest estimated value is 11. 1 is the first group. So before number is 10. So estimated value is equal to 10.